consider receiving a project status report on your Interlake Tunnel, and I guess David Charleville is going to give that presentation at this time.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair, both of the Board of Supervisors and the Board of Directors of the agency. On June 3rd, we had a joint meeting, and we were asked to come back in July and give you a briefing on where we are. So this is that briefing. The agency made a formal request to the County Board of Supervisors for funds to move this project forward, and we are grateful that you gave us direction to negotiate and enter into a funding agreement between the agency and the county, and $500,000 was provided to research the feasibility of the project and bring the results back to you. And these results would be regarding how much water is available and are water rights available. Just as a review, the Interlake Tunnel project would connect the existing agency reservoir facilities to increase the effectiveness of those facilities. And this project goes back to 1991, the Boyle report known as the Water Capital Facilities Plan. And it was felt that timing is of the essence. The reservoir levels are low, and constructing a tunnel connecting the two reservoirs can best be done when there isn't much water. This is just an overview of the proposed tunnel alignment, and that's another shot of that connecting the Nacimiento Dam, which is higher than the San Antonio Dam. As a schematic, the Nacimiento Reservoir receives approximately 3 times more inflow than the San Antonio Reservoir, and that gave us the opportunity to take a look at this tunnel project. And basically, what we're doing is we're moving water, or would be moving water, from Nacimiento to San Antonio, as you can see here, what that does is capture additional water otherwise lost to flood control releases and reducing those flood control releases from Nacimiento Reservoir. This is a diagram or a graph of the potential flows that are available for transfer. And these are in cubic feet per second. And as you can see, they only occur during certain years. And we're using the 1967 to 2013 time frame and to give us a long period of data. During that time frame, there were 14 years with reservoir spill events. So that's 14 years out of 47. And the average annual spill, if you annualize all that, is approximately 35,000 acre feet. If we had a tunnel, our preliminary information is that we would have a 35% reduction in the number of reservoir spill events. But as you can see, the average annual spill would be approximately 27,000 acre feet. The Interlake Tunnel will provide an opportunity for increased environmental and conservation releases. So we'd be taking that water that would normally spill and either reduce it or eliminate it in certain years, and then store that water and release it for what we call conservation releases over time. Now, again, because of the unevenness of rainfall